Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. So these are the stocks to trade in this upcoming week of 27th December to 31st December. I'm gonna first explain you the equity stocks. The first equity stock I'm gonna recommend you is Hdfc Life, second Cipla, third Bpcl, fourth Lupin. So first going to the Hdfc Life, which is the first suggestion for swing trading, also for swing trading mainly purpose. If you have lower margin, then you can trade on intraday basis at the correct time and at the correct price, so you can trade in it. So mainly going to the chart analysis, you can see this is a support range. So the support range has been broken and became a resistance. Now the second support resistance would be nearly over here. So going to the chart, simple price action, this was the first support range which has been broken, and then it became a resistance level, and the second support level is over here. So there was a confirmation of red candle at 2 hours. I'm using now 2 hours candlestick time frame. So there was a double confirmation over here. So that means it's time for shorting HDFC Life. So here the shorting of HDFC Life, you can keep a target of up to 560, and the selling range would be near approximately you can sell at 641 to 634. You can sell in that range, and you can keep a stop loss above this resistance level, which is 659.50. This is mainly for intraday, and if you get the price over here, then you can sell it for intraday. Whenever the price touches over there, then you can check it out in intraday time frame. So that's what happens. So right now I'm suggesting only for intraday. So these are the price details. The risk reward ratio is 3.5, which is good for you in swing in almost 1 week, which is good, absolutely good. So this is the first suggestion I'm gonna give you on equity segment, and going to the second one, which is Cipla. So this is the second equity call, which is Cipla. So checking out the support and resistance level, we can clearly see the support and resistance level. So according to the price range, this is a support level, and the resistance level would be over approximately over here. So this is a buying call. So you can see the sideways market of it. So you can clearly see the where are the sellers and where are the buyers. So right now this is a choice for buying. So we are just kind of going long on Cipla Limited. So the buying range is over here. So you can buy over here range, which is kind of actually moved a lot. But to figure out if there was a lower the stock prices touches to 869 or 858, then it is good range to buy, and this is also a good range to buy right now. So the buying price is 910 to 869. You can kind of buy it low. The target is 981, and the stop loss is 868. You can keep it, or you can keep it below. If you go long term, then you can keep a stop loss of 846, and you can keep a target of above. Whenever this price range breaks and goes high, then you can sell over there. So this is the second equity call I'm going to suggest you, and going to the third equity call, which is Bpcl. So you can see the chart, which is kind of downtrend, and then you can see this is one of the support range which has been broken, and going to the second support resistance level would be approximately over here. You can keep it support level. So kind of there is a confirmation over here, and we can short over here, but the price retraced, and there was an opportunity over here to sell it right now. So this is the correct time to sell it, which is also mean by shorting it. So you can keep the target of nearly 45 points, which is 12% in 1 week is good, and the stop loss is 9 points, which is 2%, and the risk reward is nearly 4.5%, which is absolutely great. And this is also good time to go in it for Bpcl. Yeah, you can go on it on Monday. So you can keep it in watch list for trading this Bpcl. it has a good chance to trigger the buying price and the target price, so go for it. And going to the fourth equity call, which is Lupin. So same downtrend chart. So this is a support range, so this is a support range and this is a resistance range. So simple price action. So clearly if you get price below over here, then you can go long on it. So just wait for it for intraday, mainly just wait for it. Lupin, the Lupin stocks kind of has a high volatility, and it is also to book profits in intraday. In intraday, the Lupin stock has a good chance to give you good returns. So the risk also is low and the reward is also high. So you can clearly see the buying price would be 855 and the stop loss would be 844, which is nearly 10 points, and the target is 972, which is 120 plus point. The risk reward is over here is minimum 1:9 risk reward, which is completely great and it is useful in intraday. So keep it in watch list for your intraday trading, the Lupin stock, which should be good for you. So these are the 4 equity stocks I'm gonna recommend you this upcoming week from 27th December to 31st December 20. And going to the option chart analysis of Nifty, first of all we will discuss about Nifty. So Nifty kind of in a downtrend, and from yesterday to today it was in a sideways trend. So you can clearly see the chart is you can see this is a level and this is also a level for support level, and that was also a support, but it kind of broke out. So we'll just increase it over here, the next resistance level over here. So this is a chart. Currently you can go long on it. From here there was a, you can hedge the options and you can get the chance of getting a good premium. So options hedging would be a good idea for Nifty and as well as Bank Nifty also. So you can sell a call option and you can sell a put options, and then the hedging will happen and you will get a premium, and that would be good for you to trade. So you maybe go long option or you maybe go short option, but make sure of that you sell a call option and you sell a put options. And also the options hedging video is also gonna come soon in our YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe. So right now you can go long on it. You can keep it, you can sell a 18,600, you can sell 18,600 PE, and also for hedging it you can sell 16,400 CE. So that's all, you can hedge it and risk free, and you can also get a premium of amount. So this is my point of view on it, Nifty 50, but it is a kind of downtrend, so we can say I'm not perfectly sure on Nifty 50, but I'm in a positive trend in Nifty 50. So going to Bank Nifty chart, you can see this is also same kind of Nifty. I'm also going long on it. The Nifty and Bank Nifty would be approximately same, and the chart also will be same, but only the difference in the loss or the profit they made in a day or a month, week, like that. So this is a chart of mine. You can also you can kind of go long on it because the risk the reward is huge and the risk is minimum. So if it's going to trigger the target price, then the profits will be huge. So instead of hedging it, we can go long on it. We can take a risk on it. And also the markets from past 2 days has been in a positive trend, and today it was in a correction trend. So I'm thinking that Monday will be a positive, but maybe if our bad luck, then it's gonna be a red and the bear is gonna take the market. So kind of, but there is a 1% high chance for bullish, so that's why I'm going long on it. So these are the prices. Buying range would be 34,794 and the target is 38,345 and the stop loss is 33,749, and you can kind of go on futures also, January futures. The same price will be like options, but the risk and reward is huge on that compared to options. So this is my market analysis on it. So simple, support and resistance same as it. So you can see the growth over here, which kind of gone high, and from here it's gonna also go high. So that's the simple price action based. So this is it of options and equity segment. So you can analyze it and you can also go for it. This is my pre-market analysis. Thank you. Hope you like the video. Then please don't forget to smash the like button, and if you are interested in this content on stock market, then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more notifications from this YouTube channel of Investors and Traders Club. So thank you for watching this. Keep investing and trading.